Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. This is Clarice and she is a professional model, and we are going to do a dark skin toned makeup, but instead of doing the whole full beat, we're going to do a bit of a sheer fresh makeup today. So not heavy at all. I want to see Clarice's freckles, they're beautiful, and see her skin breathe. And also we're going to do an eyeliner. We're going to have some fun with it. I'm going to do a really fierce, fun, pigmented eyeliner. Not your usual everyday look, but let's just have some fun. So after prepping Clarissa's skin, I used a cleanser and a moisturiser. I'm going to use MAC C6 Face and Body. I like Face and Body because it's very sheer and very fresh, and you can build it where you need to build it. I'm applying this all over the skin and blending it out to the outer edges, and also just building up in the central T-zone area where I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage. This is number 4, and just going down the central T-zone and flooring that area so it looks really balanced and really nice and flawless, ready for the next part. So this is my Mr. Light. It's a Givenchy pen which basically gets rid of any darkness and reflects light. And then just blending that out so it blends into everything else that's going on. So you're kind of building in the central T-zone to floor out, so you don't have to have this heavy masky makeup. Just adding a little bit of eyebrow ink to Clarissa's eyebrows because I feel that they, even though they're beautiful and a great shape, they're a little bit sparse. So I'm using my Glossier eyebrow pen and just filling in those gaps to give a nice feathery effect. This is not a blocky eyebrow tutorial, but if you want the feathery eyebrows that a lot of people are doing right now, this is how they achieve it. So just doing the other eyebrow. As you can see, Clarissa's got a scar running through the middle of her eyebrow. I don't have a problem with that personally. I think it looks quite nice. I'm just going along with the pen, filling in any sparse areas, just making the eyebrows look really lovely and feathery. Just using my fan brush to go through with a little bit of Anastasia eyebrow powder. Just helps finish off the feathery effect because the fan creates the feather strokes too. So if you're not good at doing it with the brow ink, then you can always use the fan brush. Next, I'm using surgical tape to create an eyeline. So what I find by using the tapes, by positioning it at the end of Clarissa's eye and the outer edge of her eyebrow, and just placing that on, you get this obviously really sharp, intense line, and we're just going to have a bit of fun. I'm using Dimpexine pigment, and these are basically, they look like little paints, but obviously they're for the face makeup. They're a cosmetic brand, and I use them a lot actually in my work. I find that they're very blendable. They're strong pigments, and they stay on quite well. In fact, you have to use a oil makeup remover to get them off. So I'm just painting. I've painted under the eye, and now I'm going up along the edge of the outer eyeliner and just applying a couple of coats so that you get a little bit more intensity. I'm using yellow because it's a very easy, fun colour to use. It's not too intense. I'm just having some fun with this makeup today, and it's such a simple, easy makeup to do, and you can apply this to any makeup really, any makeup look. You can put the tape wherever you want it to go, but you know that you're going to get a nice sharp edge onto the actual surgical tape as well as onto the skin, so that you're making sure that that area is completely covered with the pigment. Because it's yellow, I've gone over it quite a few times just to build up the colour, to make it pop a little bit. Obviously Clarissa's got quite yellow tones in her skin, but we wanted something that wasn't, as I say, too intense. If you're going to use black or dark blue, and even red was probably a little bit more intense. We just wanted something a little bit fun. But I will show you how to do this in blue as well, so that you can see the difference. And then you just peel it off. And it doesn't hurt because it's very kind to the skin. And there you go. You have this crazy, sharp eyeliner. I'm just adding some blush to her cheeks. Give her a little flush. It's not your normal blush. It's more on the apples of the cheeks, rather than blended all the way back to the cheekbone area. So just on the apples, give that fresh face, young, youthful look. And just finishing off with a bit of Secret Camouflage, Laura Mercier, wherever I need it. And add in a little bit of balm to the eyelids. This is Pat McGrath Duo Balm, and it just gives that little bit of moisture, which is very light reflective. The upper lip, lid, chin, nose. I think a little bit of mascara at the root of the lash. Not right to the ends, just at the root, just to give a little bit more definition and density to the eye. Tiny bit on the bottom lashes. Because they look so severe, it's nice to make it look a little bit pretty. So I'm just adding a little yellow highlight on the Cupid's bow and some glossier lip tint. It's a lip and cheek tint to the lips, just orange, just to complement the yellow. Obviously this is not your everyday makeup. This is an editorial makeup at a client's request, so I just went with it. And even though it's colourful, you can still make it look really beautiful in an editorial way. And if you were going to a festival and you want to do something like this, then you could change the colours. So this is our finished look. Nice fierce eyeliner. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and comment. New videos are going to be uploaded onto my channel every Saturday, so please subscribe.